Oh man, I love this song on my iPod.
Boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes.
The Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria. I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, the lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
Put on your life vest, let's drop anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to swank her.
Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes.
Deadliest catch without the crabs. We're almost out of gas, called the Arabs.
I'm a pussy pirate, my name is Jack Sparrow. Take off my pants, she can see my flesh arrow.
Make sure to wax, use your mom's hair. You'll be amazed when I come in your hair.
Pull up the anchor cause we're leaving.
Oh man, I really gotta go to the bathroom.
Low deck with a tick in your hand.
Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes.
The Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria. I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, the lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
Put on your life vest, let's drop anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to swank her.
Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes, I gotta have me my boats and hoes.
Deadliest catch without the crabs. We're almost out of gas, called the Arabs.
Hey Jerry, what are you listening to?
Oh, I'm just listening to Boats and Hoes on my iPod. It's freaking awesome.
Ah man, awesome.
Hey, what's on your computer? Is that game you've been working on?
Yeah, I've been working on it hard.
Well, I gotta go see the boss, so yeah.
You can't see the boss. The boss is in an important meeting.
Oh. I guess I'll do it later then. Let's talk about the new game.
I heard it had some controversy about it.
I heard there was protesters outside complaining about the game. Really? Yeah, like 4 head crabs.
Luckily, we have people working very hard to cover up this bad publicity for the game.
Yes. I'm so glad we do. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, completely bare. Wow. A fellow seagull stole some Doritos. How crazy. Hello. This is the complaints department. How may we help you? Hello. We're protesting outside about this new ultra-violent video game and no one is paying attention to us. Oh really? That's great. Well, have a nice day. Hey Frank.
What?
I don't think I could take it anymore. This working every day for long hours on this violent video game. I think I gotta end it all.
Yeah, Giant Bomb is pretty cool website.
What? You're not even listening to me. I'm gonna go jump through the fucking window. Yeah. Here we go. Hope that no one misses me. Oh, ah! Holy shit! That's some hardcore protesting. Hey, I learned something today.
What?
Well, I learned that Taco Bell has this new taco with seasoned beef.
Dude, awesome. Dude, we should go get some right now.
Dude, we should totally do that.
Yeah. Let's go get some right now.
Yeah, man. Yeah.